Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturtevant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. Mortgage rates are finally falling, but are those lower rates having an impact here in the Mid-Atlantic? Let's take a look at 3 things to watch in this month's housing market reports. First, it looks like those lower rates are not bringing out a rush of buyers. Across the MLS service area, there were 18,607 closed sales in October. That's up just 0.7% from a year ago. New pending sales were up a little bit more in October, gaining 1.7%. However, year to date, pending sales are still tracking below where we were last year. Second, inventory is still growing, but now it's because of a pullback in demand rather than a surge of new listings. At the end of the month, active listings across the Bright MLS service area were 22% higher than a year ago. However, new listings were only up by 2.5%. Homes are staying on the market longer as buyers remain cautious. And third, this is something that was clear in the October housing market reports. There is a lot of variation in housing market performance across the Mid-Atlantic. The Philadelphia area and central Pennsylvania regions, for example, they've been pretty steady, but buyers have been pulling back in the DC area market as well as in North Central Virginia. Looking ahead to 2026, local economic and demographic factors are going to be the key drivers of where home prices and home sales go. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. You can find detailed data and analysis for regions and counties across the Mid-Atlantic at brightmls.com/research. Please join us for our next housing market webinar on Thursday, November 20th. You can register online. And keep an eye out for our 2026 housing market forecast, which we'll be releasing the week after Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month.